Welcome back to Crypto Chaser, your guide to navigating the world of cryptocurrencies. Today we're diving into an essential topic: how to earn passive income with crypto. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, there's something here for everyone. So let's break down the top ways you can make your crypto work for you. First up, we have staking. Staking is like putting your crypto to work by locking it in a network to help validate transactions. In return, you earn rewards. Popular coins like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana offer staking opportunities. You can stake on platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or even through decentralized wallets. It's a relatively low-risk way to earn passive income. Next, we have yield farming. In yield farming, you lend or stake your crypto in a decentralized finance protocol and earn interest or additional tokens. Platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Aave, and Compound are popular for this method. But remember, yield farming comes with risks like impermanent loss, so be sure to do your research before diving in. Moving on, we have crypto lending. This is where you lend your crypto to others and earn interest. Platforms like BlockFi, Nexo, and Aave make this easy. It's similar to putting your money in a traditional savings account but with higher potential returns. However, always be cautious of the risks involved. Liquidity mining is another popular method. By providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap, you can earn a share of transaction fees. It's a great way to earn passive income if you're already holding crypto, but be aware of potential risks like impermanent loss. Stablecoins offer a safer way to earn passive income. You can deposit stablecoins like USDT or USDC into platforms like Nexo or Gemini Earn to earn interest. This method is lower risk since stablecoins are pegged to traditional currencies like the US dollar. If you're more technically inclined, you can earn passive income by running a masternode. This involves setting up a server that helps maintain a blockchain network. Projects like Dash and PIVX offer masternode opportunities. However, this method usually requires a significant upfront investment. Play-to-earn games are becoming more popular. Games like Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, and Decentraland allow you to earn crypto or NFTs by participating in in-game activities. While fun, remember that earnings can be unpredictable, so treat it more as a hobby than a primary income source. Finally, airdrops and bounty programs are ways to earn free tokens. By participating in promotional tasks or following new projects, you can receive free crypto. While it's not a guaranteed income stream, it's a great way to get involved in the crypto community. And there you have it, 8 ways to earn passive income with crypto. Remember, each method comes with its own set of risks and rewards. The key is to diversify and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Crypto Chaser for more crypto content, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay informed and keep chasing those crypto gains.